DIVERSO Devices Cool Mist Humidifier. Air Humidifier by DIVERSO Devices is one of the best sellers among baby humidifiers products. Make sure this fits by entering your model number. Most quality cool mist humidifier on the market with huge water capacity 62L 163 gallon, no more leaks and wet surfaces, due to the high quality of the body, the special design and power of the device. The manufacturer's humidifiers work up to 62 hours with one refill. 3 intensity modes with anion function. Humidifier supports the necessary anion balance in the room for your family health with 3 modes of humidification: high, medium, low, runs up to 18, 31 or 62 hours. Whisper quiet operation with soft night light. The extremely quiet operation of the humidifier is comfortable for rest and sleep. This air humidifier light can be turned off during sleep. Intelligent LED light display with intuitive touch button control, easy to use, displays the actual and desired humidity and other humidifier parameters. Easy to clean. Large opening cool mist humidifier water tank makes it easy to hand wash the inside of the tank to remove buildup and keep the air humidifier operating at maximum efficiency. Importantly, use only distilled, filtered or bottled water. This will ensure a proper operation of the air humidifier and eliminate the possibility of white dust on inner parts. Don't place cool mist humidifier on a carpet or towel. Improper placement can block the air intake vent, causing humidifier damage. The battery isn't included with the remote.